Hello everyone, my name is Kelvin, and today I'm share how to use the Fusion 360 to design the last or modify the last. So let's go. First step, you can download my 3D models in sketch form. And that is free for you. And we have to use that for the later on in the Fusion 360. And that is the STL file. And that is actually size 37. So we can use that in the later on in the Fusion 360. So when you after download the 3D models, so we can start in the mesh mixer. In the mesh mixer, you can see on the top that is the STL file, and the surface that is the triangle. We can see it, and almost in more than 80,000 triangle in the surface. So we have to convert the file to OBJ, and then so we have to recheck once again in the mesh mixer and see anything else or any part things is different. So we have to convert to the OBJ chop file. We use the recap software. So we insert the OBJ file to the recap, and then we have the checking of the surface. How many triangle in the surface? So that is the more than 80,000 triangle in the surface. So we have to reduce to the 45,000 triangle in the surface. And then so we have the checking of any defense of the 3D model. Now we find out we have the 3 holes in the instep width in the last surface. So we can automatically in the recap to repair all parts of the defense. Then after automatically to repair all defense, so we double checking of the totally how much triangle in the surface. So and still is at 48,000 triangle in the surface. So we have to convert to the OBJ chop file and save in the laptop. So after we save in the laptop, we can insert to the Fusion. Now I insert the STL file first, and then you can see the STL file, the surface is many triangle, and the original file, that is 80,000 triangle in the surface. And the STL file is very difficult to doing any modify and amend this in the Fusion. So we have to convert to the T-Spy file to let me to modify of the last and create a new last also. So now I open the OBJ code file. So you can see the surface was square and not the triangle. So you can see it, but we still not can doing any modify and in the Fusion, because we need to convert to the T-Spy file. We have to convert to T-Spy file. Then we can modify based on form environment. We can modify the last any part of we can change the shape or toe shape or any part of the area we have to increase or less. So now that is the square mesh. So we still have to convert to the T-Spy. Now we have copied both that T-Spy file. Now I'm showing to you how is difference of the T-Spy file convert to the body and convert to the surface. Now I make the hole and delete small part of the T-Spy file. And then so I convert and after convert the result is coming out, that is surface. And also the T-Spy file, I'm not doing anything. Then I convert, the result is a body. So we can checking how it's different. Okay, and that is if the T-Spy file we're not doing anything, we convert directly, the result coming out, that is a solid body. And then so if we make a hole, we convert coming out, that's the result is surface and not the solid body. You can see it, right? Okay. And then so the lesson 1, I show it to you from the STL file, convert to the OBJ file, and convert to the OBJ code file in the recap. And hopefully you'll enjoy this lesson. So hopefully we can see you soon in next lesson 2. Thank you so much for your watch. See you soon.